Cancelled tickets sitting in your queue for days, cluttering your views and skewing every metric you report on. What if you could make them disappear the moment a customer says, "Never mind"? Before we fix this, you need to understand how Zendesk ticket statuses actually work. Every ticket moves through 5 stages: new, open, pending, solved, and closed. The difference between those last two is everything. Here is the critical distinction. Solved tickets can be reopened by any customer reply, which means old cancellations keep popping back into your queue. Closed tickets are permanent and read-only. For cancelled requests, closed is what you want. Let us start with method 1, time-based automations. Head to your admin center, then navigate to Objects and Rules, Business Rules, and finally Automations. You will see Zendesk's default 4-day auto-close rule here. Create a new automation and set 3 conditions that must all be true. The ticket status is solved, it contains the cancelled tag, and it has been exactly 1 hour since it was solved. That 1-hour window gives customers a brief chance to change their mind. Now for the actions. Set the status to closed and remove the cancelled tag. Removing the tag is critical because it prevents the automation from trying to match that ticket again on its next hourly run. Need tickets closed instantly instead of waiting an hour. Method 2 uses triggers, which fire the moment conditions are met. Create a trigger that watches for a special Close Now tag and immediately sets the ticket to closed. To make this easy for your agents, create a macro called Close Ticket Immediately that simply adds the Close Now tag. 1 click from the agent, and the trigger fires instantly to close the ticket. No waiting, no delay. So which should you use? Triggers fire immediately and are perfect for agent-driven closure. Automations run once per hour and work best for scheduled, time-based workflows. Pick the one that matches your team's needs or use both together. A few rules to keep things running smoothly. Always warn customers before auto-closing. Exclude cancelled tickets from CSAT surveys so you are not surveying people who withdrew their request. And always use the same cancelled tag consistently across every workflow. Rule-based automation has a blind spot. It cannot tell the difference between cancel my request and don't cancel my subscription. Eesel AI uses natural language understanding to detect actual cancellation intent, handling phrases like "never mind" or "please disregard" without false positives. Ready to automate cancellations the smart way? Try eesel AI free for 7 days, no credit card required. Detect cancellation intent automatically with 0 keyword rules and 0 false positives. Visit eesel.ai to get started.